Hi, I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And this weekend at the Knob, here where we are doing a great holiday edition of an event called Wrapping Your Head, Heart, and Hands Around Plant-Based Eating.
And oh my gosh, wait till you see all the variety of food.
We're making like 20 plus recipes.
Some so new, even to us.
Some are actually the holiday things that we do eat as a family, but some of the things are like a break from the holiday food. And we're gonna be making, we have a whole list here. Banana bread oatmeal.
Ann's oats. Oh,
Brian's gonna
so
make
good.
this great thing of grits and greens, which is such a great departure for a breakfast.
Kale ceviche.
And some smoked Gouda and baked tofu sandwich rolls.
Amazing.
We had them the other night. We're gonna
Dr. Stew's stacked polenta.
and
Love that.
Anne's gonna make a blueberry mousse, her new favorite.
Oh, my blueberry mousse. God, it's worth the whole thing.
And then we have a more traditional Thanksgiving lineup of mommy's mushroom gravy, cranberry salsa, good garlicky mashed potatoes,
Super salad.
brine stuffing, and other salads and dips and things. And my mom has a platter she makes every year. It's the first thing gone. We'd love to have you join us. And if you can't make it on the 6th, to the live version of the event, it's available. You can, in the link below, you can click it between the 6th of November and the 26th of November. We hope to see you there somehow. Happy holidays.
Bye.
Bye.